This tool is going to do the OD finishing. I know it's hard to see what's going on in there. I can't see it either. Some of these operations with coolant is completely obscuring what's going on. This tool finishes the very end of the knob. And the knob's just about done. The next tool is the parting tool. There we go. And it's done. It parts the part almost completely off, and what I do at this point is I just snap it with my fingers. The lathe cycle is complete. And that's what the part looks like. The ID is absolutely beautiful. Very nice Kennametal tool. That carbide boring bar that I was referring to earlier. And the OD is turned. A nice tool as well. And you can see there is stock left on there sticking out.